Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Metal. First, download the Metal TV application from its official website. Once downloaded, install it on your computer. After installation, launch the application and either create a new, free account or log in using your existing credentials. Then, navigate to the Settings menu to adjust fundamental preferences, such as automatic game detection and your initial recording quality. Next, let's optimize your recording experience. Head to the hotkey settings to assign your preferred key combinations for instantly capturing clips. Then, fine-tune your video quality by selecting your desired resolution, such as 1080 pixels, and a smooth frame rate, like 60 frames per second. Remember to enable background recording. This ensures you never miss an epic moment, even if you forget to press record. Now, let's enhance your audio and visual elements. Configure separate audio tracks for your game sound and microphone input, giving you greater control during editing. Adjust your microphone's volume levels and enable noise suppression to ensure your voice is crystal clear. Additionally, explore the option to add custom overlays, allowing you to personalize your recorded clips with unique branding or information. Finally, it's time to share your amazing gameplay. Utilize Metal's built-in editor to easily trim and refine your recorded clips, ensuring only the best moments are showcased. Once edited, you can effortlessly share your creations directly to popular social media platforms with just a few clicks. Don't forget to explore advanced features like clip syncing and secure cloud storage for added convenience.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.